Cleaning the washer. Yep, it's jammed again. Or is it leaking?
It's not draining.
Again. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to get a new washer. Oh! 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 Should it be making that noise?
Oh, it's not blocked.
That's weird. Oh my god, the washer's gone on full spin and it's leaking everywhere! Look how fast it's spinning and it's going everywhere. Did you lock the dog outside?
No, he's outside too.
Is he? I thought you put him outside. Oh my god, why is the washer shaking?
So,
Ignore my dirty fingers. Yeah. Oh! I feel the floor shaking. You feel
it's not rinsed.
Oh my god, the floor's literally shaking. You can see the screen shaking, guys. Can you feel it vibrating? The floor, the dog is literally shaking.
Yeah, well, it goes back up.
I'm trying to hold it as straight as I can. Why is the washer shaking? Let me know, please. The floor is literally shaking. Can you see my hand shaking? Look on my hand, look. The seat shaking, right? What should we do? It's still got 8 minutes of this shaking. I'm surprised the house hasn't exploded. Still got that wet
Still
mess.
the suds in it when it's rinsed.
Oh. Open the bottom thing again.
No.
Oh, I'm running. If it explodes, I'm getting it on camera. By the way, guys, I'm not that type of person that instead of doing something, I'll just record it. I got a life. I'm just recording this to make you guys entertained. And the floor's still shaking. And I know this is kind of boring. I'm basically just chatting about our washing machine. But last time we found a bunch of clips, but there's nothing in it that could stop it draining. Do you think we need a new washer?
Possibly.
Am I talking too fast, by the way? We've had this washer for like 6 years. It's an old one. You guys might not be able to see, but it's shaking really hard. And you can hear it. Listen. Put it closer. Can you see the screen shaking? Still the wet mess on the floor.
Just can't understand why there's dirty suds going around it.
Look at this basket. Can you see it on camera? It's like shaking so hard. Sounds like it's taking time, but I'm stepping back. Sorry, guys. Do you want to hold it? I'm too nervous.
No, thanks.
Ah. It was supposed to be a dance video, but
The floor's dancing instead.
well, it's dancing this.
You go for a week.
Okay. I'm just going to sit recording this thing. Is there even anything in the washer? What's that like look sound? Oh my god, I'm vibrating! Everything is vibrating! I'm sitting back. I don't want this thing to explode on me. And if it is, this will be my last video. Move, pumpkin! If this thing explodes, it'll hit me. I don't want it to hit you. You probably explode with